We send them mobile phones from China. We make it global sending. We can make free duty to Europe countries. We can deliver the global version smartphones to Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and other cities in mainland of China. And this is OnePlus 6T smartphone. Let's review it. OnePlus 6T. The phone have three color: red color, midnight black color, and midnight black color. It is a 6.41-inch water drop display, optical AMOLED LED, and 19.5 to 9 radio, 402 ppi density. Its from glasses is 6th generation Corning Gorilla glasses, 2340 pixels by 1080 pixels. It supports dual nano SIM card. It doesn't support micro SD card. And here is Type-C USB port. Power on off button. Here are all Google applications, Google Play Store. Its CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 octa-core, 2.8 GHz, Android 9.0 Pie operating system. $128GB ROM, 6GB RAM or 8GB RAM, 256GB ROM, 8GB RAM. Its from camera is 16 megapixel, f2.0 aperture, and its main camera is 16 megapixel, f1.7 aperture, and 20 megapixel, f1.7 aperture with dual LED flashlight. We can see the quality of the dual camera. Here are all the languages it supports. It supports dual nano SIM card. We can check what included in the color box. One piece Type-C to USB cable. One piece headphone to Type-C adapter. One piece charger. The charger is 5 volt, 4 ampere, 20 watt fast charger. Silicon case. Sticker, and here's the manual. And the phone's battery built-in is 3700 mAh battery built-in. Supports fast battery charging, 20 watt. And the phone supports NFC. Fingerprint is under the display. And it supports GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BTS, Galileo, and Bluetooth 5.0. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you want to make B2B business, OnePlus and Xiaomi products, you can contact with us.